Today, we're talking meal prep. This is the most important thing you can do. You're gonna set yourself up to be successful in the future. What's up, everyone? Today we're cooking the quinoa bowl meal prep. So this is a great thing you can do to get healthy, stay lean, and just feel great. Here's your ingredients, and let's get cooking. That's delicious, my favorite. Quinoa packed with nutrients. It's a great source of carbohydrates. So we're gonna cook the quinoa. 2 cups of water, bring it to a boil. Once the water boils, we're gonna add 1 1/4 cups of quinoa. And we're gonna cook it for 15 minutes. Perfect quinoa every time. Cover the lid, low heat. Set and forget. Perfect quinoa. So while your quinoa is cooking, we're gonna get our vegetables ready. Perfect. So the first thing we're gonna do is get the cilantro prepared. Cilantro is definitely a tedious job, but if you do it, take your time to do it, it really pays off. Because the cilantro is very delicious, and always having more cilantro is better. So I always triple wash the cilantro. Boom. Triple wash everything. Boom. That's awesome. Yeah, that's perfect. So what we're going to do is we're going to get those peppers, and we're going to slice them up. We're going to dice them up. We're going to get them ready for two. We're going to get them ready for two meals, portions. There's 10 portions per meal. Yeah, really, let's go at those peppers for sure.
All the colors of the rainbow. Check that out. Good for all your chakras. Slam it in. Get enlightened.
Yeah. That's a pretty good thing, yeah, for sure. All right, right on. So the most important thing, nice have a clean workspace. So we're gonna take 2 limes each. So each of these bowls right here is actually gonna be 8 to 10 servings. We're gonna put those in your freezer. 8 to 10 servings. So 2 limes per, 1 zucchini per. I kind of like divide those up, equalize them out.
And don't forget to save some for some tequila shots after.
Save some of the lime for tequila shots,
Yeah.
right? Okay.
Not the zucchini.
These onions are just so delicious.
How delicious are they, Andrew?
They're my absolutely favorite onions I could ever have. Half an onion per bowl.
And ground cumin for taco spice substitute with less sodium.
Wow, this is just shaping up pretty good. Hey!
Stop it.
You be a good boy. Damn it. Okay, so we're gonna get 2 cans of organic beans. These beans we specifically got from Costco. And yeah, 1 can actually has a little bit less in it than the other. There we go. So we're gonna add some limes.
When you think you had enough, add more.
Yeah, go to at least about 2 limes per portion. We're gonna add all our veggies in.
And a whole satchel of it's not parsley. What is that?
Cilantro.
Cilantro.
Perfect. You're gonna turn into a pro using cilantro pretty soon. That's delicious. So we got the corn in there. We're gonna throw in our last little bit of jalapeno in there.
Perfect. Stir it up. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 portions coming at ya. Perfect.
Booyah, that's meal prep in a nutshell. This is the most important thing you can do.
If you like the video, please subscribe down below.
'Cause we need more subscribers.